Herkese merhaba arkadaşlar, ben Erdi Özağ, Donanım Haber.com olarak bugün TP-Link Türkiye'nin ofisindeyiz. Burada Deni var yanımızda. Kendisi MENA bölgesi ki Türkiye'de MENA bölgesine bağlı olarak faaliyet gösteriyor. MENA bölgesinden sorumlu başkan yardımcısı olarak çalışıyor. Deni ile TP-Link'in faaliyetleri ve Türkiye üzerinde neler yapmayı planladıklarını özellikle yıl kapatırken 2017 planları önem taşımaya başladı. Bunlar hakkında konuşacağız. Hi Deni.
Hi.
First of all, thank you very much for being with us today. And I have a couple of questions about your company and your products. But before that, first thing first, could you introduce yourself? What are you doing for TP-Link these days?
My name is Danny. I'm looking after the MEA region, Middle East and Africa, including Turkey, and at the head office in this region is in Dubai. So I'm based in Dubai.
One company claims that it is pushing the faster and better Wi-Fi connection or internet connection while keeping costs down. Which is a TP-Link. So for these days, how is your business for TP-Link and your company?
Actually, this year I think everybody is facing the pressure from the economy problem. But TP-Link, we are doing well in globally, especially in Europe, in America, we are doing very good business. And in this region, of course, we are facing a lot of other issues, the dollar rate, the oil price, but we managed to get the business growth.
What about in Turkish market?
Turkish market is growing well, and especially we shows the potential for the SMB business and the mobile, of course.
We are almost ending this year, and we have to look about the next year. So for next year, what kind of products we will see from TP-Link side?
Next year,
focusing on Turkish market.
Yeah, next year we will bring the Neffos, which is our mobile phone. So we will launch the X series in January or February. And at the same time, I think the SMB business will be the one of the most important business for us for the coming years. So in Turkey market, we will set up our independent SMB team to look after this part business.
So when we look at the network side, TP-Link probably almost half of the market, not only in Turkey but also global side. But smartphone business is slightly different business, and there are lots of players on the market right now, and so business is really tough. And TP-Link is a brand in business. So what is your motivation behind the smartphone business? What kind of reasons behind that to enter TP-Link smartphone business?
Actually, the smartphone business, we are not looking smartphone business as the independent business, because TP-Link a few years ago we start to plan for the smart home business. So we have our own R&D center in California. So the smartphone actually is part of our smart home plan. And as you mentioned, the business for the smartphone is quite, the competition is too much. But don't forget, 20 years ago when TP-Link started our networking business, we are a small brand as well. And that time, of course, we are facing big pressure from other brands like Taiwanese brand or American brand. But after 20 years growing, TP-Link now we are the #1 market shareholder in the world. So I have the confidence for our mobile business as well.
So when we look at smartphone business, every single country has their own conditions. So when we look at our market, Turkish market, you have to provide the good device with good price, good service, and good software updates or regular software updates. So why people go to market and buy TP-Link products? I mean the TP-Link smartphones. You can provide that kind of services, prices, and the regular software updates to people who want to buy the TP-Link smartphone.
Yes, sure. As the TP-Link growing many years in this market, TP-Link now is known as the quality brand. Of course, even they start the mobile phone business as the new brand, the quality will be the priority issues for us. We will look after the quality as the #1 job for us. So the quality side, I don't think Neffos brand will have any issues. At the same time, of course, the price. TP-Link, we manufacture the mobile from ourselves.
So you have the specialty to produce smartphones?
Yeah, I think we will have the better cost control.
Not third-party companies?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. What about the product portfolio? For under the Neffos brand, we will see from top to bottom products, from entry-level smartphone to high-end smartphone to compete with, for example, Samsung or Apple products.
We start from the C series, which is the entry-level mobile phone. And January and February, we will launch the X series. You can consider as the middle range. And after that, we may launch the N series as the top range.
High-end series.
Yeah,
Okay.
high-end series. Yeah.
So when we'll see the high-end series Neffos smartphones?
Most probably, I think Q2 Kingdom Phone.
So that means in the future we will see more Neffos brand products from people in Turkish market, right?
Yes, sure.
Let's talk about the network products.
Okay.
When we look at the PC business, PC market, the general market condition is according to some, for example, IDC, it is going flat, but according to some, it's going down. But only one segment is get bigger and bigger. I'm talking about the PC gaming side. So in the future we will see some gaming-oriented network products. I mean talking about the router or something like that from the TP-Link side, more gaming-oriented. You have the Archer series, but people want to see more gaming stylish design.
Okay.
Like that.
Actually, I think TP-Link for the time being, even now, we have very good product for the gaming. This year, we launched the first AD router in the world.
Yeah.
Which is the 873200.
I already published a video about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this product actually it is very good for the gaming part. Of course, in the future, for this gaming market, we will launch more and more products like good design, as you mentioned, gaming design router for this market.
Before ending our interview, do you have any message to Turkish people, Turkish customers?
Turkey, it's the very beautiful country, and it is the important market for us. In the coming years, TP-Link will invest more and more in this market, and we will offer the end user in Turkey more and better products.
It is really good to hear this. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Teni.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure. Evet arkadaşlar, bu videomuzda TP-Link Türkiye'de bağlı olduğu MENA bölgesinin başkan yardımcısı Denilyang'la konuşmuş olduk. Umarım merak ettiğiniz şeyleri cevap bulabildiğiniz bir video olmuştur. Bir sonraki videomuzda görüşmek üzere. Şimdilik hoşça kalın.